This Phoenix homeowner wanted a dramatic transformation. A clean, flat wall turned into a luxury electric fireplace media feature. Our team designed and built a custom framed-out structure to house a 96-inch long, Modern Flames linear electric fireplace and allow for clean cabling, recessed power, and TV mounting without visible wires on their new 100-inch Samsung TV. Every piece was installed by our in-house craftsmen, from our exclusive solid steel welded framing and all electrical work to wall finishing and detail carpentry. The slatted panel design adds depth and sophistication, turning the fireplace into a true architectural focal point instead of just a TV wall. This design approach creates visual interest and elevates the entire living space. Whether you're looking for modern, contemporary, or timeless, we'll design a fireplace feature that perfectly complements your home. Each project is customized to match your unique style and space requirements. Located in the Phoenix, Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler area, you can visit our fireplace showroom and design center to see dozens of electric fireplaces on display and discuss your project with our expert team. Our showroom features the latest in electric fireplace technology and design, allowing you to experience the ambiance and quality firsthand before making your decision. From initial consultation to final installation, we handle every detail with precision and care, ensuring your fireplace media wall exceeds expectations.